last week wasn't bad. This week will probably be a little worse, but we'll see what we get when we get out there.
Yeah, not much to say. We've been waiting around, so cut down to one qualifying practice, 10 minutes on the track before racing, and not really looking forward to it. But yeah, we're gonna get in the mood and we're gonna go out there and send it, get our lap in, and you know, come back, make any changes if needed, and get ready for this night show. It's gonna be pretty brutal.
Whole lot of sitting around, one practice, so gonna be hectic, but I'm excited. Yeah, you get thrown these, feels like every year at some point, mud race, so gotta be ready to deal with it. Gotta be survivable at some point, but hey, everyone's gotta ride the dirt bike on the same track, so let's have some fun and go splash around.
It's the Northeast right now, proper cold, proper rain, and yeah, a lot of hanging out. We got practice here in about an hour, so yeah, watching it rain, and not sure what the conditions are like. We obviously didn't do a track walk or anything, just kind of saw from the stadium, but it's going to be a mudder for sure. So yeah, sit around and wait and see how this practice goes.
So you're a roll-off guy.
Just showing him the oil and the color of it after a 10-minute practice in the mud with a lot of weight and stuff like that. So yeah, when I went out there, it wasn't too bad yet, and it was still raining, so it wasn't real sticky yet and sticking to the bike. So I was able to get a fast lap in quick. I was able to I got a good start, so I was up front and was able to put it in early. So grateful for that.
Yeah, so when we got out there, after 450A guys, obviously track's always quite a bit worse, but it wasn't raining. Saw the dirt got really sticky and there wasn't much jumping for us, but I mean, ended up with a decent time for the conditions, and should be good for racing, you know. I think is it raining still? I think it stopped raining, so might be all right. See what Dirtworks can do. Excited.
Not too bad. We got one qualifying practice in for everyone, so kind of just, you know, so muddy, you just go out and send it. And honestly, the track was good for 2 laps, and then it was just hammered. So it was just like paddling around, rolling the whoops. Ropes were super sketchy and hard to get through. And then, yeah, I was really just trying to double the track as much as you could. But yeah, it looks like they make some track changes. The whoops are gone, and I ended up first heat for the night show. So the track should be the best it could be for me all day, and just go out and send it, have fun.
Yeah, it's going good so far. Just one practice, so we had to get in there quick, and I think I was first in the A group. So yeah, I think 9th overall. So the track's just getting slower, getting sloppier, getting muddier. So it's going to be a tough night tonight. It's a tough racetrack, so it should be fun though. I'm ready. It's still raining, so I think it's going to get a little worse through the night. But yeah, excited to go racing.
Yeah, it's good. We obviously just have one qualifier, so it was a little worse than I expected. It's bad out there, so it's just gonna be about surviving. If I think I get to the main without crashing, dude, that'd be sick. I think you get a good position doing that. So my start, good news is my start was really good. So I just want to repeat that, and on first heat, so that'll be the best the track will be all night. So I'm gonna try and take advantage of it and try and get a heat win.
Folks, it is as bad as it looks, and it's 39 degrees, it's raining, and this is going to be one tough night's work. Volan's got to be saying, I cannot believe I got out and left everybody behind, and I'm thankful for that. So Max, just keep it upright and clear yourself out away from everybody through necessity. What a brilliant ride, Max Volan. 250 East Division back in action, and this is Heat 2. Let's see who's got the magic in the wet. Nate Thrasher, the Birmingham winner.
Oh, so tough to pick up your bike in those 180 bowl turns like that.
So Nate Thrasher, he fell back to about 18th, and he's now said, I've had enough, I'll see you in the last chance qualifier. Are you ready? Let's do it again. It's Heat 2. And then on the inside, Justin Cooper with that has gone from, at one point, leading the race to dropping out of the top 10 to now getting back into fighting for a transfer position straight to the main. And for these youngsters who are the future of this sport, this is going to be a tough test. Ready, set, go. Start is key. Who's going to get it? Okay, Johnson on the 177. Well, he had a massive lead, 12 seconds over Luke Fowler, but here comes Luke. So that time advantage has evaporated. Well, he's there now. There's the checkered flag. Well done, Kate Johnson. What a dramatic, eventful race. But there's a new winner in SMX next. Kate Johnson, you've done it. One final chance. Top 4 will go through to the main event. Oh, they thrash it down. This is just,
it's wild.
Inconceivable that the winner of the last round may not make it through to the main event. He goes through to his 3rd career main, and just look at how gingerly Shive and Thrasher are taking it. In the mud, in Foxborough, let's go, 250 main. The start is going to be critical. Hampshire gets a good one, and he goes down. This 450 championship in the mud, in the rain, the first of 4 in the northeast. Let's do it. Great start, McElrath. Look at Cooper on the inside. Justin Cooper will go side by side with Shane McElrath to try and get that whole shot.
Cooper Webb goes down.
We've seen a significant point swing in the 250 East Division tonight. They're going to come to haunt Cooper Webb. Justin Cooper, who was running at the front early in this race, he's back in 8th place now. We understand that he lost 2 positions, penalised 2 for cutting the track a little earlier in this 450 main. And ahead of him was Cooper Webb. Webb gets 3rd. And rescues his points in a really dramatic fashion. There he is.
What is going on?
Do you remember this?
Almost ran on J. Cooper's skull.
Did you see him looking there?
I think there's some pee in there.
That was
Peanut
scary.
said he's pissed. J. Cooper? I hope not.
He got squirrely up the ramp and pulled right.
Well, that's what he pulled right.
Yeah, and you stayed to the right.
I stayed right because I know he went middle. I know he's going to be mad, but like, he went right. But it's f***ing mud, dude. Like, I was sitting there like,
Case dismissed, dude.
man, crazy day. Obviously the first mudder of the year, and bit of a stressful day, man. We had a lot of rain, a lot of mud, a lot of conditions, and yeah, main event was able to come through. Had a great start, but I ended up crashing twice, and then just kind of put my head down there at the end and made some hard charges, so super stoked with that, and I soaked to get on the podium and extend my points lead.
This is the worst race of my life, and I blame those 2.
Overwatered.